Title of the video, Decile of Ungrouped Data. In this video, we'll explain what deciles are and how they can be calculated for ungrouped data, with a focus on making the content accessible to visually impaired learners. What are deciles? Deciles are a type of statistical measure used to divide a set of data into 10 equal parts. So we have here a strip of paper that is divided into 10 equal parts. And there are 9 intervals between the 10 equal parts, denoted by capital letter D. So we have here, for example, the first interval could be D sub 1. Second one is D sub 2. We have also D sub 3. And so on until D sub 9. The first decile, denoted by D sub 1, divides the data into the lowest 10%. The second decile, denoted by D sub 2, into the lowest 20%, and so on. The 10th decile divides the data into the highest 10%. It can be observed that D sub 5, or the 5th decile, is also the median of the set of data. How to calculate deciles? To calculate deciles for ungrouped data, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Sort the data in ascending order from lowest to the highest. Step number 2. Count the number of observations in the dataset, denoted by N. Step number 3. Calculate the position of each decile using the formula. So the formula to find the kth decile of the set of data, so we have capital D sub k is equal to the quantity of k over 10 times the quantity of n plus 1, where k is the number of the decile you want to find. For example, that is first decile, second decile, and so on. And n is the total number of observations in the dataset. For example, the list shown is the test scores of the grade 10 students. We have 18, 21, 20, 17, 15, 29, 27, 22, and 28. Find the third decile and the 7th decile in the given set of data. The first problem is to find the third decile. In our solution, first arrange the data in ascending order. So if we are going to arrange the data in ascending order, we can now have 15, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, and 29. The second part is to count the number of the set of data. So in this data, we can have n is equal to 9. So the third part is to calculate the position using the formula. So we are going to find the third decile. So we can have D sub 3 is equal to 3 over 10 times the quantity of 9 plus 1. That will be equal to, so we have 3 over 10 times 10. So that will be 30 over 10, which is equal to 3. So in the given set of data, 15, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, and 29, the third position here is 18. So we can say that D sub 3, or the third decile, is 18. Let us move on to our next problem, which is finding the 7th decile of the same set of the data. repeating the same process and calculating using the same formula. So in the given set of data 15, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, and 29, our n is also equal to 9. So we can find d sub 7 is equal to 7 over 10 times the quantity of 9 plus 1, which is equal to 7 over 10 times 10. That is equal to 70 over 10 is equal to 7. From our set of data 15, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, and 29, the seventh score of the set of data is 27. So therefore, we can say that our d sub 7, or the seventh decile, is equal to 27. And that's it for our lesson on how to find the decile of ungrouped data. Remember that deciles are a useful tool to understand the distribution of data. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful.